Hey, come on.
The underling,
Let's go.
not
Can
satisfied
do.
with the service, shout at
Okay,
the waiter
okay.
to make the drinks faster. It seems that Dr. Lee and his underlings are plotting something. The waiter brings drinks to the demanding guests. One underling trips and causing the drink to spill on Dr. Lee.
NANI? Damn me! What do you want?
Dr. Lee and
I'm
his
sorry.
underlings become
I'm sorry.
furious and berate
What
the
do you
waiter
want?
harshly.
What do you
I'm
want?
sorry.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. What do you want? I'm
do you
sorry.
want?
I'm sorry.
Seal X steps in to rescue the waiter from the rude gang, who then explains what happened to the SWAT officer.
Low fear. They chopped me up. I didn't mean to.
Huh?
Huh?
What do
The
you
underlings
want?
What do
remain
you
arrogant,
think? Huh?
demanding
What do
that
you
the
want?
waiter deal with the spilled
What do
drinks
you
on
want?
Dr. Lee.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. No pay. No pay. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. What do you want? I'm sorry. What do you want? I'm sorry.
One underling raises his fist, but is stopped by Seal X. The SWAT officer raises his gun, causing them to back off in fear.
I am
Seal
SWAT.
X
You
shows
want
his
the
SWAT
rap?
badge to the boss and the underlings,
Let go,
who are
let go.
terrified and leave.
Come on, come on. I kick me.
The
Thank you
waiter
very
is
much.
grateful to Seal X
Sit down,
for
sit
helping
down.
him. The waiter goes to clean up the drinks that the difficult guests
Damn it, it
intentionally
is
spilled.
what? I kick me.
Dr. Lee and his underlings,
go.
still angry, move into the elevator and leave.
Are you okay?
I'm okay.
Dr. Lee, not willing to accept defeat, takes out his phone
Hello.
and makes a call to someone. Seal X finishes his drink, pays the bill, and leaves shortly afterward.
Yeah. Okay. Very good. Okay. Okay. Come on, let's go.
Hey, come here. Thank you. Bye bye. Goodbye.
How are you?
One of
Come
Dr.
on, come
Lee's
on.
underlings brings weapons. Each person takes one and prepares to return to fight
Hi,
their enemy.
come on, let's go.
Yes, sir.
Dr. Lee and his underlings rush to find Seal X and start shooting. Seal X quickly flees into the elevator.
Hi, stay here.
Dr. Lee
Yes, sir.
orders his underlings to chase after the SWAT officer by another route.
Hey here. Let's go.
Dr. Lee also enters the elevator and pursues Seal X. Seal X runs as fast as he can.
Hey, come on, come on. What are you doing? Hey, sit down.
Underlings try to open doors to find the SWAT officer. Seeing that they are closing in, Seal X takes out his gun and shoots one of the underlings dead.
Fire!
The others team up
Hey,
and
shoot it.
fire.
Go, go, go.
Seal X and the waiter quickly flee.
Hi, where is it?
Hey, sir, keep going. Hey, you. Come on, let's go.
Jesse.
Dr. Lee and two underlings run out, but find no one. One underling spots a rope and looks down to see that the two have already escaped far
Hey
away.
here. Hey, hey.
Seal X and the waiter continue to run quickly despite the shots fired at them.
Hi, come on, let's go, let's go.
Dr. Lee and his underlings persistently chase after them.
Hey, sit down.
SEAL X uses his gun to take down another underling. Seeing the criminals
Hey,
hiding,
let go.
the two continue to flee.
Jesse!
Dr. Lee and an underling slowly pursue and search for the SWAT officer. SEAL X suddenly charges out and fires repeatedly at the criminal. Dr. Lee and the underling team up to shoot at the SWAT officer. The waiter slowly looks up at Dr. Lee and the underling shooting at SEAL X. He picks up a brick and throws it at the underling, knocking him out instantly. Dr. Lee turns his gun towards the waiter. Seeing this, SEAL X shoots the bomb, injuring him. Dr. Lee, seriously wounded, quickly flees. SEAL X runs after him, but is unable to catch up.
Hey, come here. Hey, come on.
SEAL X and the waiter leave the place together.
This mission is very important. But be careful. Do you understand? And we will attack this base. Their base is very heavily defended.
At the police base, there are many beautiful and eye-catching weapons. Besides, SEAL X is learning more knowledge about criminals from Captain Ben.
They have very dangerous weapons. So, we have to be very careful, alright? I need you to remember. Yes, sir. Alright, come here, come on. This is their base. Hi, look. There are many of them on guard right now. Hi, we will attack from this side. Yeah, if you don't do so, you will easily fail. This is what I need. Please bring him back here to me, alright? Yeah, and I will support you. Alright? Yes, sir.
SEAL X receives a mission to search for a laptop that was stolen from the robbers. After receiving the gun seal, X quickly went on duty. Ben trusted SEAL X and expected results from SEAL X. At the base, as shown in the image, the robber's lair is very tightly guarded. SEAL X quickly took action to search for the received location. At the base, Boss Dr. Lee is working on ways to get data from the laptop.
Alright, follow me.
Okay.
After that, he and the female robber hurriedly left the base.
Hello, boss. I brought it here. Where's some money? Money? Alright. Yeah. Alright.
Jurley went to the soldiers to make a secret deal with them. Jurley's base was followed by SEAL X and planned to break in when he was not at home.
Okay. Alright.
Money here. Take it.
Oi, why so little money? That's all mine. Huh? Are you kidding me?
At the transaction point, Lee received the memory card, but the dissatisfied soldier did not accept Lee's money.
Damn it! Are you kidding me? Huh? Don't shoot! No! Don't shoot! Forgive me! No!
Unexpectedly, they were all destroyed and taken over by Lee. At the robber's base, SEAL X managed to infiltrate deep into the hideout, using a brick to deceive the guard. Returning from the transaction point, Lee had an important memory card in hand. From behind, the soldier, not understanding what happened, was suddenly killed. The accomplices also focused on attacking SEAL X from all directions. SEAL X uses his skills to attack and destroy each enemy in turn.
Hey, go!
Then he quickly ran to the laptop's location to check, but knew there were still soldiers, so he temporarily ran away. The two soldiers chased after them but couldn't make it in time. At the same time, the big brother arrived. He quickly chased after them.
Go! Hey, boss! Boss! Cepat buka voice laptop! Cuci!
The whole group of soldiers chased SEAL X, but his ability to dodge bullets was very good. SEAL X took refuge and attacked them back. The extremely fierce fight between the ferocious robbers made police officer SEAL X dizzy. SEAL X preserved the laptop while fighting fierce robbers.
Huh?
An unlucky thing happened when he was fighting and his gun ran out of bullets.
Hey, let's go!
Okay.
The opportunity comes for Lee and the female robber approaches. In a moment of urgency, SEAL X was able to reload and kill the female robber, leaving only the leader. He was hit by Lee's bullet and immediately chose to run as the best way to escape his gunman. When Lee chased SEAL X, he took advantage. The 1-1 battle takes place intensely every moment. While gaining strength, SEAL X took the laptop and fled. Seeing the enemy escape before his eyes, Lee was both angry and painful. Dr. Lee looked on with hatred in his eyes and screamed, determined not to let this go. An interesting ending for the next part.
Yeah!
I need you save a guy. Who? My boss. Right, not chief. Yes, enough. It's enough.
Alright, go. Very good. Alright.
Take.
Let's go. Hurry up. YouTube. I caught it. It's very dangerous. YouTube, put it in.
Okay.
Go.
Get in.
Rose, you go outside.
Okay. Go. Sorry, we don't have much time.
Right, go. Move, move.
The boss enters a house. Seal X tells his teammates to keep
Everyone,
following him.
Let's go. Okay. Hi. You two.
The three SWAT officers split up to search for the boss. The boss quietly grabs Ben and kills him instantly. Jack turns around, but he too is killed. Seal X rushes over, but the boss has already fled, leaving his two dead teammates behind.
Run!
Seal X runs to Jack and Ben, calling out to them. But sadly, they've been killed by the boss. Seal X vows to avenge this great loss and chases after the boss. The boss runs back to his base and Seal X quickly follows. Some robbers suddenly charge out and shoot at Seal X, forcing him to dodge and shoot back. The boss runs upstairs and hides in a room, where he opens a bag, pulls out gun parts, and assembles a complete weapon. Seal X reloads his gun and charges out, killing one of the robbers.
Hey, Sweet! I want to see the boss!
Comrades keep fighting while she heads upstairs to report to the boss. The female assassin calls out to the boss, who then calls her over.
Come here.
No, I'm fine.
The boss discusses a plan with the female assassin, and they split up to take action. Seal X somersaults to dodge bullets and takes down another robber, causing the remaining ones to flee upstairs in fear. Seal X chases them and shoots the last robber dead. The female assassin sees this and tells the boss, but he chooses to remain silent. Unable to wait any longer, the female assassin stands up and fires repeatedly at Seal X. SWAT shoots back moving over.
okay?
No, I'm fine.
In just a moment, Seal X kills the female assassin.
No!
The boss enraged shoots and wounds Seal X, forcing him to flee. Seal X fires down his boss, but his weapon accidentally runs out of bullets. The boss enters but finds no one. He slowly searches for SWAT. Seal X quietly appears behind the boss and subdues him. The boss fights back, and both rush towards the gun on the floor. And so, Seal X defeats the boss. He successfully avenges his teammates and then leaves.